Bulgaria is reeling from one of the most destructive weather events in recent memory, as catastrophic floods battered the southern Black Sea coast, while snowstorms stranded hundreds in the country's western mountain passes.
Стекло рушится, что делать? Ребята, спасайте, пожалуйста, спасайте! СОС!
The disaster has left a trail of destruction, multiple fatalities, and widespread disruption across several municipalities.
Потоп, выбраться уже с дома мы не можем, валит все вот так в море, машины плавают.
According to meteorologists, more than 250 millimeters of rain fell in just 12 hours, a staggering amount that overwhelmed drainage systems and triggered flash floods. Authorities had been warned of the dangerous weather, yet the scale of devastation revealed once again how unprepared the country's infrastructure remains. A state of emergency was declared in several districts, including Burgas, Montana, and Pernik. In the seaside resort of Elenite, tragedy struck when 3 people lost their lives. Among the victims was a worker who drowned in an underground facility after not receiving timely warning. An excavator operator swept away while clearing a road, and a border police officer caught in the surge. The mayor of Sveti Vlas described the situation in Elenite with just one word: flood. He explained that the disaster was worsened by the merging of 3 ravines into one, unleashing torrents of water that existing drainage systems were incapable of handling.
Это ебанул витрину.
Years of backfilling and construction in vulnerable areas, he added, amplified the risk. In Burgas, central boulevards turned into rivers, with the Maiden Rudnik residential complex cut off by stranded vehicles. The fishermen's settlement in Chengeneskele, the village of Marinka, and the Chernetsite villa zone also suffered severe damage. In Chernetsite, a bridge collapsed, cutting off families who had to be evacuated. Over 5 boats overturned in the Crimori harbor, and dozens of cars were either submerged or carried away by floodwaters. The scale of rainfall shattered historical records, with some coastal areas recording more than 200 to 250 millimeters in under 6 hours, an amount that normally equals the entire month of October. Environment Minister Manol Genov described the event as one of the most intense downpours in modern Bulgarian history, comparable only to the deadly Tsarevo floods of 2023. Bulgaria's southern coast and western mountains are experiencing a stark reminder of the increasing force of extreme weather. Lives have been lost, communities cut off, and infrastructure destroyed.